guys, welcome to another vlog. My name is Omar and I'm a new Filipino nurse here in Connecticut, USA. And today we're going to the Wicked Tulips Farm in Preston, Connecticut. You know what guys, this place is perfect for people like me who wants to see the bloom of the different varieties of tulips flowers in one farm during the spring season here in Connecticut. And however guys, today is a rainy morning, but according to the weather app, soon it will subside. So we're still going to the farm. And ayun nga guys, samahan nyo kami later. Mag-vlog tayo doon to share with you kung ano-ano ba yung mga makikita natin dun sa Tulips Farm. And also, later on, pwede daw mamitas ng mga flowers doon. And yun, kaso kailangan natin bayaran yung mga flowers na pipitasin natin. So, tingnan natin kung ano nga ba, kung maganda ba dun sa farm na yun. Kasi based nga doon sa mga nakita kong pictures, ang ganda nga doon and para siyang paradise. So, ayan, papakita ko sa inyo guys yung labas. Sobrang cloudy ngayon. Kanina umaambon, pero ngayon is okay na siya. And kasama ko ngayon si Ate Jane, si Kuya Al, and si Jebby, yung mga friends ko dito sa aming neighborhood. So, yun guys, if you find this video interesting, please keep on watching. Ganda pa ni. Hi guys, nandito na tayo sa Wicked Tulips Farm. Jane. Ganda guys, oh. Look at that view. Very muddy with my white shoes. Yan guys, nandito na tayo. Ang ganda, oh. Look at that view. Ayan. Ate Jane, outfit check. Jebby, outfit check. Yan guys, check in. Yan. Wow. Grabe, ang ganda dito. It's like a paradise guys. Ang ganda talaga dito. Kahit maulan, ang daming tulips. Yan guys, oh, kaka-relax. Saka ang lamig. Ang lamig ng panahon dito. It's springtime. And kung rest days nyo, habang open pa to, maganda dito maggala-gala. Perfect for picture taking. Ayan ah. Jane. Ayan, perfect for picture taking guys. Ayan, and with our photographer. Selfie tayo te, selfie muna.
Saan bang maganda na spot na
yan,
yung lahat?
1, 2, 3. So on this side, all payments and no cash. Hi! Say hi to the vlog. Hello! Wow. Yeah. Have a great day. Thanks. Free self-wrap. Picking with tulips where happiness blooms. Step 1, Step 2, and Step 3. Ganda. Meron tayong baskets. Pick your own tulips 101. Ang ganda oh.
Doon oh, ano yung may yellow.
Hey guys, do you know that tulips are edible? So we have different colors of tulips. So this is the park map. Sobrang ganda dito guys, maglakad-lakad, then napaka-friendly ng staff nila, and I'm so amazed with the flowers. nakaka-relax, tanggal lang stress mo dito guys. Pero mas maganda siguro dito kung sunny day, but still it is a nice place to visit here in Connecticut. Try to pick a flower, this one. Ayan guys, ang ganda oh. Then gusto ko yung white flower dun. Wow, gusto ko yung puti eh. Kukuha nga ako ng puti. Kasi iikot pa. Ang ganda rin itong pink na to. Ayan o. Ipitasin ko nga rin yan. Ito, no? Dali. Sisira. Ayan. Kuya Al, say hi to the vlog. Ayan. Ano kaya maganda? Gusto ko may puti rin eh. Ito, ang ganda tong puting to. Ito, ayan, ang ganda ng puti oh, guys.
Pili lang.
Yeah.
Patrop-sarop lang.
Ayan oh. Usually 30 minutes lang yung time na allowed, pero since maulan, we're unlimited. Kaya advantage na rin na unlimited yung time namin. At least kahit the whole day kami dito mag-picture, mag-vlog, okay lang kasi walang time limit. Ito. Ayan, ganda to. Ano pa, hindi pa nakabuka. So, pick natin to. Yeah. Ito, meron din ditong mga orange tulips. So, I had to pick one more. Oh. Okay. Nakita niyo yung mga tourists. Nag-enjoy silang mag-pick ng flowers. Ang lamig dito guys, mas malamig pa sa Baguio. Ang sarap ng hangin. Guys, meron tayo ditong yellow tulips, and din yung gusto ko namang pitasin this time. Kasi nga 'di ba yung yellow tulips, yun yung pinakasikat na kulay. Ganito isang to. Ayan, pipitasin ko na. Then I want this small tulips. Okay. Ito na siya. Say hi to the success.
Success!
Ate Jane.
Hi, success!
Kuya Al, success.
Makikita mo sa imagine mo, success ka eh. Bigla kang sumakses eh. Dito, step by the step pala.
A few moments later.
Be self-wrapping.
This to make sure you put your skills diagonally, so kind of around here. Like this. Make sure that the bowls, like the petals, are protected here.
Can I take a picture?
Okay.
Thank you.
And then the stems are poking up here. You're gonna wrap it like this.
Wow.
And then you're gonna tape right there. After you finish with that, you're gonna make sure you write down the number and the tulips you have.
One flower, one paper? Or
No. Usually like 12 to 10.
12 to 10 per paper?
Per paper, yeah.
Okay.
But it's usually like 20, but usually that's not very good for the tulips.
Okay.
So usually 10 is that.
10 is
Yeah.
the recommended. Okay, thank you. Debbie, solo. 1, 2, 3. Ate Jane, Kuya Al. 1, 2, 3. Okay, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Jevi, kayong dalawa, dali. 1, 2, 3. Ito guys, may token tayo and ibibigay natin dun sa all payments section. Ayan. Hello. Yeah, so good.
10?
Yep.
Okay.
10. Total of 10. Thank you. Guys, here are the tulips. Ayan, iba't ibang klase and the prices. Hello guys, so tapos na tayo, pauwi na tayo and maybe may dadaanan pa kami para kumain. My rating is 5 out of 5 kasi napakaganda, napakalinis, highly recommended. Mag-i-enjoy kayo guys.